1. 1968 Chevy CST Camper Special, $5,500, Montague, California. This 1968 Chevrolet CST Camper Special is a solid project truck featuring the original 396 big block V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It comes equipped with factory air conditioning, adding value to its classic appeal. The body is finished in blue, and while there is some rust in the cab, the seller includes an extra cab to help with restoration. The truck runs and drives, but will need brake work before hitting the road. A great find for those looking to restore a piece of Chevrolet history. 2. 1976 Chevy Luv Mikado, $7,800, Lodi, California. This 1976 Chevrolet Luv Mikado is a rare survivor in original condition, featuring a 4-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. The truck has 89,510 miles and is reported to be in great running condition, with everything working, including brakes. It has just passed smog inspection, making it ready for transfer. The only cosmetic issue is minor damage to the tailgate, but a replacement in excellent condition is included. A fun and unique classic for collectors or anyone looking for a nostalgic ride. Number 3. 1978 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside Short Bed, $5,500, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet Silverado Stepside is a single-cab short bed truck with a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. The truck does not run and will need a fuel pump, fuel lines, and other work. It was purchased as a restoration project, but the seller no longer has time to complete it. The interior is in decent shape, and the truck has no rust, making it an excellent base for a restoration. A clean title Stepside Silverado at this price is a great opportunity for a classic truck enthusiast. '60 Ford F650 dump truck, $4,000, Gig Harbor, Washington. This 1960 Ford F650 is a 5-yard dump truck with a 292 V8 engine and a 2-speed manual transmission. The PTO dump mechanism works perfectly, and the truck has been a reliable workhorse for the seller. Originally purchased in Idaho, it has been used for weekend projects and continues to function without issues. With its classic design and working components, this truck is a vintage work vehicle that still gets the job done. '5. 1970 International Dump Truck, $4,250, Granbury, Texas. Nicknamed Hank, this 1970 International Lodestar 1600 dump truck has been a dependable workhorse for years. Powered by a 304 V8 engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it features a 2-speed rear end for better hauling power. The truck received a new brake master cylinder and booster last year, but still needs new wheel seals on the right side. Additional updates include a new windshield and all new lighting. It runs and drives, but will need the brakes fixed. A solid vintage dump truck with plenty of character. Chuck 6. 1979 Dodge Power Wagon W300 1-ton, $10,000, Humpty-Lips, Washington. This 1979 Dodge Power Wagon W300 is a heavy-duty 1-ton truck featuring a Cummins 5.9-liter turbo diesel engine with a manual transmission. It includes a whole-set H1C turbo, rebuilt in 2024, 4WD, a 10-foot bed with wooden side rails, a PTO winch, and a hand-cranked jib crane. The truck has been garage kept since 2003 and remains in solid condition. though the wooden panels show aging. A powerful and unique work vehicle, perfect for farm or industrial use. Seven, 1954 Ford F350 Flatbed, $4,500, Damascus, Oregon. This 1954 Ford F350 flatbed truck is a rare classic featuring a 239 Y-block V8 and a manual transmission. It does not currently run, but the engine turns over and is likely an easy project to get back on the road. The rear axle was swapped from a 1959 F350, and while it rolls, it will need to be towed due to the rear end not being fully hooked up. The flatbed dump bed needs new wood, a fantastic vintage truck for a restorer looking for an authentic piece of Ford history. Eight, 1968 Ford F150 Longbed, $8,400, Apple Valley, California. This 1968 Ford F150 is a solid long bed pickup with a professionally rebuilt big block V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. It retains its original patina with no severe rust or major body damage. The interior is in excellent condition and the truck runs strong, making it a turnkey classic with plenty of power. A great find for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a well-preserved F-Series. 9. Tashed 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W150, $5,800. This 1977 Dodge Power Wagon W150 is a Ford Waluidadudad pickup powered by a 360 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck idles but is not currently drivable due to brake issues. It is a California truck with no rust, making it a great restoration candidate. The 4WD system is fully functional, and the truck comes with a clean California title. A rugged classic ready for off-road adventures. Ten, 1973 Ford F250, $6,000, Esparto, California. This 1973 Ford F250 features a 360 V8 engine, a 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The truck is strong running, with no leaks, and starts up easily. The odometer is broken, but the truck is in good mechanical condition. A classic heavy-duty work truck with plenty of life left. 11. 1980 Ford F150, $1,200, Loveland, Colorado. This 1980 Ford F150 is an affordable project truck featuring a 4.9-liter inline-6 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, 3 on the tree. It runs and drives, and even passed emissions in 2022, but has been parked for the last year and a half. There is damage on the left front side, making it a great candidate for a budget-friendly restoration. $12. 1974 Datsun 620 pickup, $2,000, Kennewick, Washington. This 1974 Datsun 620 compact pickup is a rare find. It runs and has a clean title, with a new wiring harness, battery, and Weber carburetor installed. However, the carburetor still needs tuning. The odometer is broken, but with some additional work, this could be a fantastic Japanese classic truck for a collector or enthusiast. 1975 International Lodestar Dump Truck, $8,400, Peoria, Arizona. This 1975 International Lodestar 1600 dump truck is a low-mileage workhorse with only 88,000 original miles. It has a new Jasper 345 engine, a freshly rebuilt carburetor, a 2-speed rear end, and a fully functional dump bed. The truck is in great condition and receives compliments everywhere it goes. A rare and powerful classic work truck